Oh, yes. Oh my God, he just took it under. It smells bad, it smells bad.
Hello, my beautiful fish friends. Today, I'm keeping it simple, but we're also challenging ourselves just a little bit. Strictly topwater. I'm at a nice neighborhood pond here. It's pretty large, and I don't think we're gonna catch a whole ton of fish, but I do know if we do catch fish, they're gonna be decent fish. We got the head and spook, 5.5 inches tied on. A little bit of chrome on there because it's a little sunny. Shimano metanium, 40-pound braid, Berkely lightning rod, medium heavy. Let's get out there and let's catch some fish.
And I scared a bass, I think. Come on, big blow up. Yeah, there's something big over there. There's something decent right in here. Come on. Oh, yes. There it is. Oh, that was sick. That was super sick. That was sick. Get up here. That's a nice fish. That's a really nice fish. Oh my goodness. Look at that guy. That is a chunk. 3.7 pounds. Absolute chunk of a first fish on the top water. Gorgeous. Oh man, I'm gonna get him back. So much blood. And that's what we wanted right there. This is today's setup right here. We got a head and spook. I think this is 5.5 inches. I like this bait a lot, caught a lot of fish in here with it. And then Shimano metanium Berkely lightning rod, 40-pound braid, 20-pound fluorocarbon leader, because I do believe the fish see it. That's why I'm not going straight braid. But great first fish, 3.7, awkward camera angle. Let's catch some more. There's literally a bass sitting directly in front of me. Just chilling, and I have 2 topwaters tied on. Not the best combo. See if we can get him on the Chase Baits CICADA. There was a hatch recently, but I see like none in my area. Oh wait, is he going to it? No way. Oh my god, he's actually going for it. No! Oh my god, that was so cool though. That was super cool, oh my goodness. Oh my god. He's still here. I don't think I hooked him much at all. Is he going back for it? Still interested? Come on. Oh, he's still interested. He's still interested. Still wants it. Still wants it. Redemption. Redemption. Oh! What the hell was that? What the hell was that? Oh my goodness, it scared me. Alright. We almost had one on the cicada. That'll be pretty cool to do, I think. There's something down there. There's something down there. Oh my Jesus Christ. Oh my God. I like to back these things. Oh, may as well cut it off and retie. I did it again. Oh my God. Oh my God, that is a bass. It's doing the weird thing with the tail out of the water. I caught a fish that did that before too. It's a bass. But he's going completely like nose down in the water. But why? Why is he doing that? Does he want to eat the cicada? Or will I just scare him? I don't think he's paying any mind to this. Oh wait, no he's not. Are they spawning? Are there two? Oh my God, he just took it under. Yeah, there are two. Oh, I didn't even... That bite was so light. That bite was so light. That bite was so light. Look at that thing. Come on. Oof. Let's get him up. Wow, that's quite a nice fish, actually. Okay, my beautiful fish friends, we got fish number 2 on the cicada, chase bait cicada. He's probably like another 3, honestly. Look at that. That could be another 3. And now we get a release. So you can keep doing your weird nose down thing over there. I don't really know what was going on over there, but we caught one of them. The other one's still there. The other one is actually still there. I wonder if I can catch it. Oh, sinking. I don't know what that was about. Those fish, I don't know. Maybe they're eating off a bluegill nest. It didn't seem like spawning because they were going nose down at the ground. And that doesn't, I don't think that's spawning behavior. It wouldn't make sense to me. Oh, I think there's more stuff going on up there too. Like the same type of deal. I feel like there could be a fish here. I know some of the water spills out here sometimes. So I think maybe. So I've made a whole lap around this pond. And I think we caught the fish that were willing to hit topwater. So now I gotta get the stragglers. I taught on this chatterbait. We're going with this. Crowtail grub on the back. Let's catch some bass. Or anything. Whatever wants to eat it. But I think it's just going to be bass. Alright, I'm walking back up to where those bass were just being some little weirdos, some little freaks. I wonder if they're still being some little freaks, little weirdos over here. No clue. Ooh, did they just get attacked? Oh, the bass are being weird again. I see them. I see them. They're being little weirdos. I want to tie in the Nessie. I really do. Oops. Oh. Alright, the freaky bass is no longer around. Oh, bass. Bass looking at it. Oh, he's looking. He's looking. Oh, he's interested. He's not very interested. Weightless craw, weightless craw. How did I get snagged? How the did I get snagged? No. How did I get snagged? What the hell is here? Oh. Fish behind it, fish behind it. Oh my gosh. He wants it. He's just kind of like not committing super hard to it. Oh. I broke it off. Jesus, this is awful ending. I want this back. Yep, there it goes. This is gross. The ground is solid enough, to be honest. It smells bad. It smells bad. No, it's that stupid... It's that dumbass netting. Alright, we got that taken care of. There's definitely something over there. I'm casting the Nessie at him first, because that's what I want to catch this fish on. Nope. That was really cool. That was awesome. My drag is so loose right now. Bro inhaled it. Oh, yes. I just let it sit there. And he munched it. There we go. Bass on the Nessie. A nice one, too. Probably a little over 2 pounds. Bass on the controversial bait. Clickbait. All right. Time to let him go. See you, bud. I absolutely knew there was a fish there. Seize the day. I'm feeling better now. All right. So, Berkely 7 catches fish. And you can reel them in quicker if your drag isn't so loose. Oh my God. Guess where we're going? That's right. Over there. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, bass looking at it. Bass looking at it. Bass followed you in. I saw that.
My beautiful fish friends, that is going to have to end it. Near the end, we started having some issues, but we got it back. I went in the water. However, we did catch a total of 3 whole fish. 2 of them on top water, one of them on the controversial Nessie. But I'm walking back to my vehicle now because we seized the day and I have to go home and eat some food. I love you and seize the day.
Oh my God.